Imagine a global ballet of packages gliding across borders, faster, smarter, more precise. At the center of this intricate choreography is the Internet of Things, also called IoT, quietly transforming transportation and logistics. What began with barcodes and GPS has grown into an intelligent network of sensors embedded in trucks, containers, and even individual parcels. These smart tools talk to each other, offering real-time updates on location, temperature, and handling. Companies can now reroute shipments mid-journey, predict delays, and notify customers with pinpoint accuracy. Predictive maintenance adds another layer, as vehicles and equipment self-monitor and flag issues before breakdowns occur. Warehouses are evolving too. Robotic forklifts, smart shelves, and drones now orchestrate inventory with machine-like precision. In cold chains, sensors ensure that perishable goods remain safe, fresh, and compliant. All of this connectivity hinges on one vital enabler: cellular technology. Today's industrial SIMs and eSIMs keep devices connected across borders, hopping seamlessly between networks and allowing centralized remote management. This ensures that no matter where a shipment travels, its digital heartbeat remains strong. The next frontier combines IoT with AI, blockchain, and edge computing, creating adaptive, eco-friendly, self-optimizing supply chains. IoT isn't just infrastructure, it's the living nervous system of global logistics. To stay competitive, companies must plug in, or else they fall behind. Please visit our website for more information.